Hello, I just wanted to drop in with a quick video to show you how to use this month's free mockup. So I'm going to turn off these instruction layers and let's start by bringing in the pattern that we want to apply to the mockup. So I'm going to go back out to my gallery and find a pattern to bring in here. We'll go for this one. I'm going to swipe down with 3 fingers and copy all. Go back into the mockup. And on any layer above the background layer, swipe down again and tap paste. Then on this layer, we're going to change the blend mode to multiply and use the transform tool to turn it around, change the scale if you want to, and position it how you'd like it to be over this square here. This is the first one we're going to use, so we'll leave that how it is. And then we're going to tap to select this one. Then we're going to go to the layer with our artwork, tap this, and then we're going to tap mask. Then we can hide this mask, deselect, and that's our first pattern mocked up. So now we go back out into the gallery again, grab another pattern to paste in there, go for this one, swipe down with 3 fingers, copy all, go back into our mockup, swipe down with 3 fingers and tap paste. Change the blend mode to multiply so we can see through it and know what we're doing. Tap to select and adjust it to fit over this rectangle here. Make the scale a bit bigger on this one. Then we're going to tap this mask here, select, go to the piece of artwork that we want to mask, tap that one and tap mask. Then we can hide the mask underneath, deselect, and that is both of our patterns applied to this mockup. I send out free resources like this to help you with your patterns every month with the Pattern Makers Toolkit. If you'd like to get on the list, there's a link below for how to join for free. Have fun, stay creative, and I will see you next time.